Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working on a 83 Chevy Silverado pickup truck. Okay, we're going to be turning this into a 4x4. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we went ahead and drilled the posts out and stripped it, and this is what we're working with. Windshield, interior, base, and the body. Okay. So what we're going to be doing, in order to change this into a 4x4, we're going to have to take another vehicle, one of these guys. I've already got it drilled apart. It has the same windshield. However, the body has extensions on it. We'll be using this body instead of this one. And the base on this is lifted. So we'll be using this base with the rubber tires instead of this base. So once we get the body back from the paint shop, we'll be able to put it all back together using these parts right here. Okay, let's go ahead and go to the paint shop. Be right back. We're back from the paint shop. Went ahead and painted it and put some decals on it. So all we got to do now is put it back together. We started with this. And we finished up with this. Again, these decals on this are a wrap. I went ahead and printed the decals, the blue and the emblem and the numbers and the letters. Everything is decal. There's no paint on this car except for the white. The rest of it's body wrap. Okay, well that's the video for today, guys. I appreciate you watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and click the bell for future notifications. I appreciate your comments. Please give a thumbs up if you liked the video, or a thumbs down if you didn't. We'll catch you on the next one. Everybody have a great day, and we'll see you later.